Hello everyone. This is a mock-up of a Class A Climax truck with skew bevel gears that I've been working on. And this is kind of a test of a new manufacturer. I have been getting 3D printed parts from Shapeways, who have supplied me with some excellent parts in a process called binder jet printing, where they mix bronze and stainless steel powders together and then melt the bronze to form a solid mass. Well, Shapeways has gone out of business, and so I've been trying to find an alternative source for 3D metal printed parts for this Class A Climax, and I found a place in China called IN3D Tech. Prices are extremely competitive, actually much less than what Shapeways was charging. Different process. It's a direct metal sintering process with lasers that actually hardens the powders as they are laid down by the 3D printer. And the skew bevel gears on the left here are 3D printed aluminum, and the bevel gears here on the right are stainless steel. So I wanted to try this alternative supplier and alternative method, as well as alternative materials, to see if this was going to be something that would be applicable for my use in making this Class A Climax. So let's give it a go. This is an old South Bend heavy 10 in back gear, so it's kind of noisy, but here we go. Now in reverse. And there you have it.